Welcome back, martial arts lovers. Today we embark on an interesting journey as we dive into the world of Bruce Lee, the mythical martial artist and film-famous individual whose combat scenes have captivated audiences for decades. But proper here the twist, we are now not simply looking those epic battles, we are bringing them to life. Join us as we recreate Bruce Lee's most epic combat scenes, taking them from the silver display to truth. Hi, I'm Jesse, and in recent times we can discover the artistry, precision, and sheer power in the back of Bruce Lee combat choreography. We'll smash down each bypass, examine the strategies, and then step into the shoes of the dragon himself to recreate these legendary moments. So capture your nunchucks, tighten your belts, and get started out. 1. The legend of Bruce Lee. Before we dive into the action, take a to realize the person at the back of the legend. Bruce Lee wasn't genuinely an actor. He became a truth seeker, a pioneer, and a grasp of martial arts. Born in 1940, Bruce Lee had an impact on extends far beyond his movies. He added the sector to Jeet Kune Do, a modern martial arts philosophy that emphasizes flexibility, performance, and directness. Bruce Lee's approach to martial arts changed into all about simplicity and effectiveness. He believed inside the usage of no way as way, having no trouble as issue. This philosophy, now not handist, made him an outstanding fighter, however additionally a visionary who reshaped the martial arts landscape. 2. Breaking down the iconic moves. To recreate Bruce Lee combat scenes, we need to apprehend the techniques and choreography that made them so iconic. Joining me nowadays is Jesse, a martial arts expert who will assist us wreck down some of Bruce Lee's most famous actions. Bruce Lee combat scenes are a mix of traditional martial arts, street preventing, and cinematic flair. Let's start with simply one in all his most iconic actions, the one-inch punch. The one-inch punch is a really perfect example of Bruce Lee philosophy. It showcases his notable power and precision added from a very quick distance. Let's boil it down. Bruce Lee might generate explosive electricity through a mixture of body mechanics, best alignment, and lightning rapid tempo. The keys in the hips and the switch of strength from the floor up through the fist. Thank you for becoming a member, folks, in this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, take into account to like, remark, and subscribe for additional exciting content material fabric. And recollect, inside the words of Bruce Lee, be water, my friend. Until subsequent time, maintain schooling, live inspired, and unleash your inner dragon.